Good morning, here we are, just about to start another adventure, but I can't continue without just saying it's the morning after the night before. Yes, Manchester City clinched a Premier League title once again in dramatic fashion. They were playing against, who were they playing against? Of course, Aston Villa. They were losing at home 2-0 with 15 minutes to go, and they needed to win. What happened? They scored 3 goals in 6 minutes. Unbelievable. I was watching the game with a Villa fan who was constantly reassuring me that, don't worry, City will score. Villa always do this. They always concede. And the other game, Liverpool against Wolves, Liverpool needed to win, but they were drawing at the time, but eventually they did win. But wow, what a way to win the Premier League. City don't do it easy. Anyway, I've recovered from all that. I think I overdid it a little bit, and I had 3 glasses of bottled water with lemon. I know, it's outrageous, but I did manage to sleep after that. And this morning, I'm off to the metropolis, another metropolis, the metropolis that is La Bisbal, famous for its ceramics. So, I've got to go and get the train. So, I like that word, so, yeah, let's go. Okay, the latest update. There's been a slight change of, well, not a change of plan, but change of route. Because as I was cycling along the normal route, I saw the markings for, I think, what was a race yesterday. So I thought, well, I'm always on the lookout for new routes. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm not sure where I'm going to end up, but that's the beauty of it. So in a moment, I'll just show you some of the markings that indicate the routes, and I'll happily continue on until who knows where. But don't forget, Manchester City are Premier League champions for the 4th time in 5 years. Unbelievable. So these are the markings that the organisers tie to various branches, and also they put arrows on the floor. So I'm following those, and who knows where I'll end up. Now, you may be wondering why there's a chair in the middle of this track. Well, this chair, I imagine, is used by one of the prostitutes, which you can normally find here, but it's 10 o'clock in the morning, so I imagine it's a bit early. But this track is just next to a main road, and I suppose those people who know, or those gentlemen who know, just pull in, and the lady provides her service. So, onwards and upwards we go. To where? Who knows? You won't believe this, but 50 metres up from that chair was the prostitute herself, and you never guess what she asked me. She said, "Who won the Premier League? Can you believe it?" So, of course, I had to give her an in-depth analysis about that mighty comeback, losing 2-0 with 15 minutes to go. Oh, bro, unbelievable. She was so pleased. Anyway, I bid her a fond farewell, and we continue on this mighty adventure. So, as you can see, we're just cycling through a narrow alleyway, and we're in the small village of Madremanya, and you can see that's the town hall there. There's not much to it, and we are going down there. So here we are, just about to go through the main square in Monells, and there's not a lot of action today because, well, that bar is actually open over there, but I thought it being a Monday, a lot of places would be closed, but obviously not. But I'm not stopping there, I'm off to La Bisbal. Not quite as pretty as it is here, but anyway, that's today's destination. So I'm just about to leave Monells. It's only a very small village, medieval, and popular with tourists, as you can probably imagine. Here I am in La Bisbal. I've just had my coffee and my homemade energy bar, and of course a banana. So now I feel suitably replenished to continue back to Flaça, but I think I'll probably stop for lunch in in Colomers. Hopefully, if the restaurant is open, have a leisurely lunch, then catch the train back from Flaça to Girona. I think there's one at 3:30. So so far so good. The weather's been, well, it's actually been probably a little hot. It's about, I don't know, 30 degrees, but being the sort of guy I am, I can cope with all temperatures, all weathers. I've just had my lunch and I didn't stop in Colomers. Well, I've not arrived there yet. I've stopped in a small village called Ultramort, and I've just had the menu del dia for €13. And as you saw from the photographs, I started off with the melon and the ham. Then the main course was like rice with seafood, and the reason it was black, I think it's the ink from the squid. It doesn't look the most appetizing dish, but it was okay. And then I finished off with a yogurt. So €13 for that, not bad, plus a bottle of water. So now I'm about, I would say, 12 kilometers away from Flaça, where I'll catch the train. Oh, by the way, did I mention Manchester City are Premier League champions again? Here we are, coming to the end of the ride, back to Flaça station, and just in time to catch the train which is due in about 20 minutes.